proving is very important, because if you know how a rule is formed, you will definitely not do any mistake in applying. And it is very important to apply the rule in proper place, in proper way. So if you know the forming of the rules, it will be easier for you to memorize them. So we all know the logarithm applies many rules, but the main three rules are multiplication rule, division rule, and the power rule. So today I will show you how to prove these main three properties of logarithms. Now I am proving the first one. Proof 1. The first one is multiplication rule, and that is log x times y to the base a equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. That means in case of multiplication we will have addition, and in case of division we will have subtraction. So the first one, let log of x times y to the base a. That's why I am taking log of x to the base a equal to m and log y to the base a equal to n. I am taking log x to the base a equal to m and log y to the base a equal to n. Now in exponential form we can write a power m equal to x, and in this case a power n equal to y. And now I will multiply x and y. So we find x times y equal to a power m into a power n. And we know in exponential rules, if same bases are multiplied, then their powers should be added. So it will be a power m plus n. That means xy equal to a power m plus n. Now in this stage, if I will switch it to logarithmic form again, it will become log xy to the base a equal to m plus n. Log xy to the base a equal to m plus n. Now we know m equal to log x to the base a and n equal to log y to the base a. So I am writing here log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Therefore, log of x times y to the base a equal to, we already found, log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Now the second one, I will prove the second one now. Second one is division rule, and that is log x over y to the base a equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. So let me take log x to the base a again equal to m and log y to the base a equal to n. Now in exponential form, a to the power m equal to x, and in this case a to the power n equal to y. Now I am dividing x over m by y. That is x by y equal to x equal to a power m over y equal to a power n. That is a power m over a power n. So in exponential form we know if same bases are divided, their powers should be subtracted. That means a power m minus n. So it is x over y equal to, I am writing it again, x over y equal to a power m minus n. We found x over y equal to a power m minus 1, m minus n. Now switching to logarithmic form, we can write log of x over y to the base a equal to m minus n. So we know m equal to, we took m equal to log x to the base a, so it is log x to the base a, and n equal to log y to the base a, so log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. So we found log x over y to the base a equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a, and proved. Now I am proving the third one, that is power rule. Log x to the power n to the base a equal to n times log x to the base a. Let log x to the base a equal to m. Now I will write in exponential form that a power m equal to x. And now I am raising both sides to the power n, that is a power m to the power n equal to x to the power n. In this stage, if I will switch it to logarithmic form, then we can find log x to the base n, log x to the power n to the base a equal to m n. There will be another stage that it will be a power m n equal to, I am showing you this step, I skipped, a power m n equal to x to the power n. And now I am switching log x power n to the base a equal to m n. And we know m equal to log x to the base a. So we can write n first, n times m, that is log x to the base a. So you are found log x power n to the base a equal to n times log x to the base a. The power will be placed in front of x to the base a. So in this way you can prove the formula, and if you learn how to derive the formulas, you can easily bend the formulas as per question. So thank you for watching today.